All right, so we are here at 926 Mill Street in Dandridge, Tennessee, and I'm going to take you through the house so you can see what we're working with here. And we just got done putting the carpet in, we just got done painting it, but so it still needs a good cleanup from the construction crew, but it's ready to go. So we've got a fireplace here as soon as you walk in, nice big open room, another fireplace on the other side. And this is a nice little, like, sitting area, entertainment area, whatever you want to make of it. But this is the main living room as soon as you walk into the house. And then there's a laundry room off of the main room. Laundry room, hookups, regular stuff. And out back, I'll just show you this while we're here. There's a storage shed out there. This window needs to be cleaned. Whew. You could have a she shed. Oh my gosh, it's snowing. You could have a she shed out there. You can make it a playhouse, whatever you want. But this yard goes way back in there. I think it's almost an acre here. So this is the laundry room, and then coming back into the living room here. We're gonna go up, it's got 4 steps, so not a whole lot. Come up these steps, and then the first door on the right, this is the first full bath. Closet, shower, toilet. Right there, full bath, nice rock wall, accent wall, whatever you want to make of it. And then down through here, you clean that vent, or replace it probably. This is the spare bedroom. I think I hear that toilet running in there. I have to fix that too. All right, spare bedroom. What I love about this spare bedroom, it's got 2 closets. 2 closets. The water heater is in one of the closets though. And we do still have spare carpet here. So this is the master bedroom. It's got the master bath. And it has one big nice closet. Big nice well lit closet. And here's the bathroom. Sink, nice stand up shower, toilet. Let me get this thing to stop running. Stop running, stop running. Toilet right there. Master bedroom. And then on back in here. This is the main living room. And you see we got the extra carpet in here right now. We just got done with the construction on this house. We've repainted it. It's got fresh carpet all the way throughout. Both bedrooms, the hallway, both living rooms. And then we've got the kitchen. It's got a nice tile floor, new white appliances, and it's nice and big and open in here. Nice view out the kitchen window. Need to get those cobwebs down. So we've been doing some work up here. And this house is for sale now. It is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, as we just saw. It's got 2 living rooms, kitchen, and this really nice she shed out there. And look, from here, you can almost see all the way back in there is the property line. Way back in there is the property line. So a nice entertaining area out there. Can y'all see it's snowing today? It's not supposed to snow in March. So, kitchen, living room, bedroom number 1 on this side, bedroom and bathroom number 1, bedroom number 1, bathroom number 1 over here, bedroom number 2 on this other side. This is the other bathroom. And then the second living room is down here. We've got 1 fireplace, 2 fireplaces. There's 2 of everything in this house, except for 2 kitchens. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 fireplaces, 2 living rooms. This house is amazing. 926 Mill Street in Dandridge, Tennessee. It is rent to own or for sale. I would love to just sell it.